Right, we're on Holy Cross Component 2 mock, and it's mock number 2, and this is question 3. Don't you love questions where they ask you to draw the chromosomes? Give one process that occurs in the nucleus of a cell during interphase, which is necessary before cell division can take place. So, you know, kind of what goes on, things like DNA replication, synthesis of new organelles, protein synthesis, making ATP, those sorts of things. So those what go on, but it's actually after one of those, and it says which is necessary. So which one of those is kind of the most important one? And we would definitely go for DNA replication or doubling. I definitely need that. Diagram shows the chromosomes from a cell with a diploid number of 6. So 2n is 6. 2n equals 6. And these, so we got maybe chromosome 1s, chromosome 2s, chromosome 3s. So these are homologous pairs of chromosomes, and they've stuck some at each end just to throw you off the scent. They put them in kind of so you can't really get them confused. So look at where the centromeres are. That's kind of nearly at one end. So these are details that you're going to have to kind of replicate. Draw a diagram to show the chromosomes from one of the resulting cells. We've marked quite a few of these where people have given 2 cells. Why would you give 2 cells if it asks for 1? You're just leaving yourself open to making small mistakes that you might get penalised with. And well, it's mitosis. Mitosis, genetic copies of genetically identical to the original, same number of chromosomes, that sort of thing. So you're just going to draw the same thing again. Okay. So there's 2 marks available. Ooh, that's rubbish, is that one? I'll do it. There's 2 marks available, of which I've probably screwed one up. But essentially the same thing. So the same thing there. 2 marks. The size. So have you got the right number, and then the size and where the centromeres are. So have you got 6 there for the first mark, and for the second mark the shape of the chromosome and where the centromere is. So I've seen quite a few students who've missed off a centromere or done an even worse diagram than me. Meiosis. Well, meiosis, forming gametes with half the genetic information. So we are halving everything. So meiosis, we're just going to have one of these big ones, one of these little ones, and then one of the kind of medium ones. And again, 2 marks. Have you got 3, and have you got kind of 1 out of each homologous pair? And that's quite a lot of marks. 4 marks for just giving that information again. And explain one advantage of the cells lining the human gut dividing very frequently. Well, these cells are constantly falling off and being scraped off, and you need to replace them. So one of our things in mitosis is growth, repair, and kind of replacement of cells. So to replace cells. 6 marks, pretty straightforward.